nafe-feel ko na nasa akin yung attention ng tao, lalo ako nape-pressure, lalo ako nagkakamali, lalo ako...
Yeah.
Tapos parang, pag nagpa-perform na, pag pinapanood ko yung sarili ko, nafe-feel ko yung, as an audience, nafe-feel ko yung sarili ko na kinakabahan or yung feeling ko, na natatranspose ko yung nafe-feel ko sa audience. So parang, ano gagawin ko? Ano yun? Ano yung pinapakita mo? Sabihin mo, ano yung lahat ng yun? Bakit gano'n? Hindi nag-match yung sinabi mo tsaka yung pinapakita mo. Parang gano'n na questioning.
Hello everyone! Wow! sobrang formal naman ang intro natin for today. But I'm so excited to be here with Justin!
What's up? Hello po. Para akong feeling ko lawyer ako dito sa setup natin.
Wow! I love it. But welcome, Justin. Thank you for joining us here on The Ripple.
Yes,
Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman. Super busy pero masaya naman. So far.
Parang may mangyayari.
Malapit nang maubos.
Ay, hindi pwede yun.
Oo. No. Dapat rest din. Even though super busy ka nga. But do you still have time for rest these days? Hesitate.
To be honest, wala masyado. Since May.
Since May?
Oo. Since start of May, na-realize ko, like buong May, yung last day lang ng May 31 or May 30? 31. Yun lang yung tanging rest day namin.
Wow.
Doon yung na-realize nung sabi ko, nagbigay pa ng rest day, tapos na ng May.
At least may isa.
Well for June.
Perspective lang. So ano ginawa mo that day?
Sa bahay. As in, doon lang sa bahay. Nag-stay ako sa bahay. Nag-computer. Tumunga nga. Legit na walang ginawa.
And what a luxury.
Yes.
Diba?
Especially, you're from like medyo far sa city. So, nakauwi ka pa ba lagi?
Hindi. So, ayun nga. Parang minsan, kasi, let's say, uwi. Pero, parang iba yung uwi na nagstay ka talaga sa bahay. Like, uwi na natulog ka lang. So, medyo hindi masyado. Like, ganyan nga. Isang araw lang talaga yung uwi ko nung May 30. Nung May.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. I hope you find time then to rest every now and then. That's very important, feeling ko.
Totoo.
Feeling ko. No, but it's true. Very important nga siya. And I'm happy na nandito ka. Even though, ang dami
Salamat
nangyari.
na bigyan mo kami ng...
Kasi actually, parang feeling ko, yung podcast, hindi siya tiring. Talagang mas makaka-rest ka pa. Ay, interview pala.
Ito yung day to unwind.
Yeah.
Oh. So mamaya, at the end of this podcast, let's evaluate kung ganun pa din yung feelings mo. No, but yeah, we're very excited na nandito ka. Kasi yun nga, ang dami mong ginagawa these days. And like, I feel like you have so many things na gusto mo pa ipakita to everybody, diba? In terms of a performer, but also as a very visual person.
Yes.
Parang ang dami mong ganap, especially in the space of art. And feeling ko, I've interviewed you many times before, but we don't really talk about, yun nga, that part of you, the very visual artist. Ganyan. So I'm curious, like, how did it start for you? Parang yung interest mo in art and like all of these things.
I think, compared to performing, nag-start siya, talagang bata pa ako. So, bata pa lang ako, mahilig na mag-drawing. So, meron akong mga drawing. Nung elementary, gumagawa ako ng comics.
Cute!
Like, alam mo yung bond paper na finold lang, tapos staple mo yung side. So, meron ka ng booklet. Tapos, lagawan ko ng cover page, mga ganon. So, with my friends, ginagawa ko na siya ever since.
Ano genre ng comics?
Oo nga. Ano story?
Kasi story? I think that time uso yung mga Pugad Baboy na comedy na comics.
Ang title nun, ano yun? Hala, Stock Monsters.
Oh, cute!
Stock Monsters. Kasi yung school namin, kami ng friends ko yun nung elementary, yung school namin, meron siyang stock room na bawal pumasok doon. So parang iniisip namin na pag pumasok kami doon, it's another world.
Wow.
Tapos since medyo mahilig ako sa Pokemon ever since, parang gumagawa kami ng monsters inside that. Parang another world siya. Tapos dinodrawing na, may mga characters kaming sarili dun sa world na yun. Hopefully yung kaklase kong nag-keep, Hey, shout out sa'yo, Luke. Kung nasa iyo pa yung mga kopya.
Oo.
Sana na natabi
Gawa
niya.
kayo ng mag-release kayo ng limited,
Oo nga eh.
Yeah.
Parang, feeling ko super dami nun. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero
Madami
alam ko,
siya.
madami.
Like
Oo,
series.
Series siya.
So,
hindi ko lang maalala. Tapos, kasi, may kita niyo iba't ibang drawing style siya. Kasi kami yung magtatropa. Iba-ibang drawing.
I'm curious, ano ba yung drawing style mo? Like, how would you have described it before?
I feel like very pambata yung style ko. So, parang close to anime na, alam niyo yung anime na tinatry maging realistic, pero turns out, cartoon yung nangyari. So, medyo ganun yung style ko.
That's so funny. Kasi alam mo, feeling ko, a lot of us, well, me specifically ako, I also went through a stage na I thought I wanted to be like an artist.
Yeah.
So I would practice drawing an eye. Pero that far lang.
Yun lang yung
Yun lang yung kaya ko. Alam mo yun? So to see na you talaga, ginawa mo talaga. And until now, nagagamit mo yung parang visual artistry.
Muscle siya eh.
Yeah.
Kasi I did visual arts then. Actually, going into senior high, pagkadating ko ng senior high, na ako, like arts and design.
Wow, so
Tas,
cool.
kasi I wanted to do architecture. Tapos nagkaroon ng math. Tapos lumipat ako sa
Yeah.
So after one sem, I
Math.
ended.
Quit.
At least ikaw na po pursue mo till now.
Yeah.
Parang nag-transition siya from, like gusto ko talaga before is more traditional eh. Like, sa pens and papers. Kaso, kasabay ng growth ko yung technology. So, naturally, nag-grow ako to parang naging media na and all. Pero, ayun, until now naman, nagtatry pa rin ako ng traditional art like paintings, drawing. Actually, minsan may bit-bit akong notebook. Pag alam kong may idle time kami sa schedule, drawing lang ako kung ano-ano.
Wow.
Kasi it's easy to be attached to your iPad ngayon.
Yeah.
Na parang kunyari, if you wanna paint ng gusto mong mukhang paint,
Yeah, texture.
pwede ka mag-pen sa iPad.
Pwede mo na gawin lahat sa digital eh.
Tapos when you wanna share your art also, pag sa iPad mo na siya ginawa or something else,
Madali lang.
basta sa device, ang dali ilabas sa social media
Yeah.
rather than having to scan or take a picture. Interesting.
Ang
Yeah.
galing mag-delete, mag-edit sa
Oo.
media ngayon. Pero ayun, parang right now naman, nagagamit ko yung art side sa work in terms of like music videos namin, conceptualization, ganun. Pero like as a hobby, ginagamit ko rin siya. Pero parang hopefully, parang gusto ko rin talaga kasi for me as a person, ever since yung bata pa ako, mahilig din ako mag-computer games.
Yes.
Isa doon, mas makagawa ng parang character design for a game.
Oh, like what kind? What are you thinking? Anong genre? Ganun.
Stock monsters.
That would be so cool.
Game na Stock Monsters.
Oh.
Pero more of like, meron akong one of my favorites na online game before. It's called Run Online.
Okay.
Tapos, alam mo yun?
Oo.
Oh.
Shucks.
Yung mga kuya ko naglalaro nun. Tapos
Oh.
binibigyan nila ako ng
Wait, what is it?
brawler ako dun.
Ayun. Para siyang yung game is like, school siya na parang nagkaroon ng actually, I don't know the story. Kasi pag naglalaro ako ng game, skip lang ako.
Yung malaking university.
Malaki siyang
okay.
university. So, meron 3 campus. So, pipili ka kung anong gusto mong campus.
Okay.
Tapos, pag kapili ka na ng campus, pipili ka naman ng character mo. It's either like, ng type. So, parang may
Like a
skills.
fighting
It's like,
game?
yeah.
Okay.
So, parang magician ka ba? Archer, ganyan. Tapos, kailangan mo magpalakas. Tapos, maglalaban yung mga schools.
Tapos may
ganun.
mga parang clubs. Anong tawag sa ano?
Guild.
May guild din.
Yeah.
Alam ba?
Tapos maglalaban-laban kayo. May schedule, let's say, hindi ko na alam schedule, pero let's say, Monday, ganitong oras, may guild war. So, maglalaban-laban
That sounds so
yung mga
fun.
schools.
Tapos pag may
Oo.
bibilin kang gamit dun sa Run Online, may card na binibili
Yeah.
ka pang Run Online.
Like, legit money nga lang yung ipambabayad mo talaga.
So bibili ka ng card, tapos credit siya. Di ba ngayon
Wow,
parang
I've never heard of
magta-top
this
up ka
game.
lang. Ngayon magta-top up ka lang dun. As in card,
Card
na binibili
talaga.
sa store. Tapos sa scratch mo, sa code.
Ang
Kasi
cute!
tatype mo. Ngayon kasi digital na. So,
Yeah.
pwede lahat. Pero, dati, tapos collect. Andun, nakatabi pa sa akin yung mga pinagastusan ko.
Oo, medyo Ragnarok. Mga sabi na Ragnarok.
Okay,
Yeah,
gets. I know
yeah,
Ragnarok.
Ragnarok.
Yes.
Yun,
Yeah,
yung may
similar.
mga para yun yung hati. May mga nag-Ragnarok, may mga nag-Ragnarok.
Run
May
Online.
ano
Yeah.
pala, iba. I know Ragnarok. Like,
Yeah.
I played for a
Yung
while. Oh my God, I didn't know
So,
that.
gusto ko gumawa ng something like that. Parang gusto ko siyang ma-revive.
Tapos yung scoring music niyo.
Yeah.
That's so fun though. Parang
Super.
games like that, super experience talaga siya eh. Like,
Oo.
and it's a part of, see, until now, you still remember
Siya
it.
yung, sila yung mga sinaunang free world
Yeah. Oo.
Ang ganda. So parang dun din kasi nakakabuo ka ng like legit friendship na although bata pa ako nun, so hindi ako nakikipag-meet up. Pero yung mga ka-guild ko,
Medyo sketchy pa.
yung mga ka-guild ko, parang nag-uusap-usap sila. Tara, kita-kita tayo or naglalaro sila sa isang computer shop together, ganun. So parang, hindi ako kasama.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede. Masyado pa akong maliit. Ayun. Pero yun, parang if ever man na parang kunwari after performing, i-pursue ko naman yung visual arts ko.
Yeah.
Parang so, kung may mga kaklase ako ngayon na nasa gaming industry like gaming development na
Yeah.
game development na work. So parang tara gawa tayo ng game or makapasok man ako sa company let's say na
Yeah.
ganyan. Gusto kong gumawa talaga ng characters. Mag-design or mga skins. Let's say, yung mga nilalaro namin ngayon. Skins, di ba?
That's so cool to conceptualize yung mga
Yeah.
ganon. I can only imagine like the kind of creativity it takes. And kaya mo yun for sure. It's never too late, di ba? Sabi nga nila. And you even went to school for that. So,
Yeah.
saktong-sakto yung...
Pwede pa, pwede.
Oo, di ba? I
So,
feel like...
kayang-kaya mo. Like, for sure, after this naman, you're gonna be very, very comfortable. So, ang dami mong time to think about all of those stuff.
Yeah. Parang I feel like wala siyang age limit.
Oo.
Let's say, syempre, ngayon as a performer, parang kailangan mo rin maging physically fit
Yes.
until
Yeah.
the rest
Yeah,
of your
yeah.
career. Pero yun, parang kailangan lang talagang mentally okay ka, your creativity
Yeah,
gets...
actually, I'm curious. Kasi yung creativity, like all of us naman, we all are creative to a sense. And we do certain things that keep us creative, diba? Keep us
Yeah.
inspired. Ikaw ba? Ano may yung like certain things that help you stay creative?
Isa siguro is talagang nahihirapan ako maging creative kapag nasa environment ako na maraming tao. So,
yeah.
nahihirapan ako I don't know, mas creative ako mag-isa sa kwarto, sa bahay na, alam niyo, mag-isa lang ako. Doon lumalabas, or let's say, driving, tas ako lang mag-isa. Pero kapag talagang may kasama ako, nahihirapan akong mag-express ng creativity. Siguro another thing din is like rest. Kapag pagod na, nauubos na yung creative juices sa utak. So,
Galing.
wala talaga. And siguro lastly is, pag nanonood talaga ako ng movie, doon ako na, ang dami ko naiisip.
Oh my God. I love that. I just said I love that kasi we like to talk about like movies every now and then. And I ask people, ano ba yung 4 favorite movies nila right
4
now? Off of the top of their head. So I'm
Without
happy that you
deeply
brought
thinking.
it up.
Wag may over.
Don't think about
masaya
it.
din ako.
Oo.
Shucks, okay. Pwedeng series or movies talaga?
Anything.
Yeah,
anything.
Sige, for
you watch. Okay.
Go.
Unang pumasok sa isip ko is Anne with an E.
Oh, I love Anne with an
Oh,
E.
yeah.
Oh my God.
Some
You have to watch it.
very, Anne with an E. Tapos, hala. Ba't series pumapasok sa isip ko? Game of Thrones.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. Diba, ang layo nung dyan.
No, actually.
Tumalon bigla eh. Meron akong...
Don't overthink it.
Pag
Kaya
may
mo yan.
overthink, ang hirap. Lalo pag indecisive ka, no?
Same.
Anne with an E, Game of Thrones. Puro series kasi, nag-iisip ako ng movie. Perks of Being a Wallflower.
Yes.
Very good movie.
Yes.
Perks of Being a Wallflower. And last ay... Ano ba nagpaiyak sa akin?
Oh.
Ano ba siguro, isa naisip ko is Korean drama eh. Dream High.
Oh, I haven't seen Dream High.
Nahihirapan ako manood ng Korean drama. But I like them. Hindi
Yeah.
ko kaya mag-subtitle.
Yeah. But that's very well-rounded.
Oo.
Tayo nga na yung
No,
show.
seriously. Oo, iba-iba talaga.
It's not like,
Iba eh.
dito
Oh, and you didn't parang you know. I feel like you know what you're talking about talaga. Kasi iba nga yung mga
Shucks, may naisip ako bigla.
Oh, go.
Oh,
Say
go.
it.
The Help.
The Help's also
Yeah.
really good.
Is
Yeah.
that
The
a
book,
movie?
yeah, a movie. But it's also a book. The book is
Yeah.
really nice. Oo.
Hindi ako nagbabasa ng
Dahil
book.
mo time. In fairness sa busy schedule mo, mahilig ka sa series.
And K-drama specifically. Like, I agree with Nico. Ako, nahihirapan ako minsan with K-drama. Kasi, di ba, ang haba ng episode. Tapos may subtitle pa. So, yung effort that goes into watching a K-drama.
Mahirap.
Grabe.
Tapos ang cute pa nila. So parang hirap
Mag-focus.
That's so true. Ako nagpo-pause ako, tapos sisigaw ako. Ganon. That level. Like,
Sa K-drama ako madalas nakakapanood ng parang gwapong-gwapo ako na lalaki.
wow.
Parang shucks ang gwapo niya.
Kinikilig ka.
Oo. Kasi sa mga usual, parang very in character na medyo madungis kapag bad boy. Pero sa Korean drama, talagang very,
Lahat
parang,
Yeah.
buong buo eh.
Fun.
Grabe.
Pero alam mo, na-amazing ako sa sinabi niya na rest yun nakatulong sa kanya maging creative. Kasi feel ko something siya na na-overlook ng mga artists. Na parang if you think, parang nagtanong ka, anong nakakapagbigay siya ng inspiration? Parang laging movies, whatever, listening to other music. Pero yung rest nga sobrang importante niya.
Yeah.
Never ka makakapaglabas kung ubos na ubos ka na talaga.
Pero actually, I'm not sure pero ito lang based on my observation. Parang, let's say, na-observe ko kay Pablo. Siguro mas maganda tanungin niyo siya, pero parang based sa akin,
Text natin.
ang na-amaze ako kay Pablo kasi ako, kailan ko ng rest. Pero siya, parang talagang pinipiga niya yung sarili niya. And kahit ganun, talagang ayaw niyang nahihinto sa paggawa.
Yeah.
Pero magaganda pa rin yung nagagawa niya. So, parang niya yun. Siguro iba-iba lang talaga yung tao in terms of how they release their creativity. So, parang kay Pablo naman, pinipiga niya talaga yung sarili niya. Ayaw niya nang, napapause ako. Ayaw niya nang napipirme. Ang galing.
Yeah, I think there are some people like that talaga na the more they're tired, parang adrenaline ba?
Yeah.
Yung gano'n, yung parang they
The more
feel...
na feel mong kailangan mo hugutin, mas
Yeah.
may mahuhugot ka.
But also, on the flip side, like me, I feel like I have to rest din. Pag gano'n. Kasi wala akong magagawa. Like, people will think na rest is counterproductive,
Yeah.
di ba? But really, at the same time, you can only fully perform at the highest level
Yeah.
when you have rest,
True,
di ba?
true,
So, shout out to everybody. I hope you get rest also.
Yeah.
Even in this culture of, di ba, na
Do not
pressure
get sick.
tayo na palagi tayong may ginagawa and stuff like that. Like, sometimes I feel so guilty pag wala akong
Yeah.
ginagawa. Ikaw ba, Justin? Do you ever feel
Same.
that way?
Alam mo yung pag nagpahinga ka, tapos parang may mali.
Yeah.
Parang dapat may ginagawa ako ngayon. Pero pag chinek ko naman yung checklist ko, wala naman akong gagawin. Pero I feel like dapat may ginagawa ako. Parang, lalo, laging sinasabi sa akin ng nanay ko yung hindi babalik yung oras.
Yeah.
So pag iniisip ko yun, shucks, oo nga, no? Every time na, ngayon, currently, yung nauubos mong oras is hindi mo na siya mababalikan. So parang, ano kailangan kong gawin?
Ginaslight mo na yung sarili ko. Yung sarili mo pala, you're just like, why?
Diba? Oo.
Oo, that's so true. And I feel like a lot of us feel that way nga. Kasi nape-pressure tayo with yung ginagawa ng mga iba. Diba?
Yeah.
Na parang nakikita natin sila productive.
Yeah.
Dapat ako productive din.
Hindi, saka pag may mga peak seasons kasi sobrang dami mong ginagawa, hinahanap talaga siya ng katawan mo eh.
Automatically.
Oo.
Well, yeah, which is interesting because I feel like some people will look at Justin and be like, sobrang productive ni Justin. Diba?
Parang sure ako ang dami niyang ginagawa everyday.
Oo, pero di nila
Okay,
alam. And
Same lang.
yeah. So, guys, don't pressure yourself too much.
Tao lang tayong lahat.
Tama. We do as much as we can.
Yes.
Feeling ko. And especially for you nga, di ba sabi mo nga yung schedule mo, medyo crazy talaga with everything, balancing, performing, going places, ang dami nyo napupuntahan, tapos music ba. So how do you, like may secret ka ba to balancing stuff? Kasi ako kailangan ko ng tips.
Sa dami ng ginagawa, actually wala. As in, ako rin mismo na uubos din ako, napapagod. So, I don't know. Ano ba? Siguro, yun lang. Kapag parang mga binabalance lahat, no?
Naka-autopilot ka na.
I mean, mahilig siguro in a like personal way kung paano ko inaayos yung mga schedules, yung mga to-do things ko. Talagang nililist down ko. Tapos, ayun, nililist down ko kung ano yung nagagawa, ano na, hindi, delete. So, nag-list down ako, mini-message ko yung sarili ko sa Messenger.
Really?
Ganun. So, makikita niyo yung mga, yung
Gagawin
messenger
mo,
ko,
notepad.
kausap ko yung sarili ko, tapos nandun yung list of, kasi parang currently sa flow ko sa buhay, parang isa yung messenger sa lagi kong chine-check. So parang, ang dali niya lang din tignan. Unlike, let's say, nasa notes mo sa phone mo, parang another effort siya to check.
Gets.
So, para hindi ko siya malimutan, pagbukas ko ng messenger, ay, ayun, may mga kailangan ko agad gawin.
I didn't know
Tas
that was a thing.
Tapos pwede mong i-heart lang pag nagawa mo na.
Yeah.
I have a new thing
Ganon.
now. Oh my God.
Kausap ko yung sarili ko, so
Yeah, never ko naisipan na gawin yun. Like,
Pero
ever.
kausap mo lagi yung sarili mo.
In real life. In real life, oo, kinakausap ko yung
Talaga?
sarili ko.
Same.
Yeah.
Hindi rin
Kala ko
naman.
sasabihin talaga niya, talaga, weird siya, ganun.
Pag nagda-drive lalo or pag nagbo-motor,
Yeah.
nagpo-kausap.
Or-
Kaya namin akong billboard, kinausap ko sarili ko, ang galing ng ad na to. Kasi ganung conversation.
Di ba? Akala ko ako lang. Ganun, kasi yung mga grupo ko, lagi nilang pinapansin pag nagsasalita ako mag-isa. Kasi sasabihin nila, kausap mo na naman sarili mo.
Yeah.
Na ano na naman siya, sabi niya, kausap ko yung sarili ko eh.
It's okay, don't feel bad. I do that
Yeah,
then. Minsan, pag may ginawa akong mali or something, or hindi ko gusto, sabi ko, Tam, why? Bakit mo ginawa yun? Or like, you had a very awkward social interaction. And after that, I'm just like, Sam,
Or
why?
sometimes kunyari awkward yung interaction, tapos mali yung pagsabi mo ng something, uulit-ulitin mo siya sa kung paano mo siya dapat sa
Yung pronunciation.
Once again, we're all people.
Yes.
Yun talaga yun. Ang dami nating iniisip, no? Which is crazy. Because me, I'm an overthinker din, minsan. And I just watched Inside Out 2 recently. Have you seen it? Okay, you have to watch it.
Feel ko mapupunta siya sa top 4 mo.
Yes,
Talaga?
feeling ko din. Did you cry in Inside Out 1?
No.
Oh, interesting.
Ako rin, no.
Not the Bing Bong?
No.
Really? Okay, baka
Alam
2
mo,
you
mas
will.
personal kasi rin talaga yung Inside Out.
Yeah, kasi more grown up na yung Inside Out 2. Kasi teenager na si Riley, ganyan. So yung mga feelings niya, hindi naman adult, pero parang grown.
Puberty stage niya eh. Yung
Coming of age.
Yes, very coming of age. And I was just thinking about it. Kasi diba, in Inside Out, si Joy, yung parang main, parang main nagko-control ng console niya. So isip ko, sino kaya yung emotion na yung main sa utak ko? Like, I feel like not everybody it's Joy eh. Diba? You know what I mean? So I was thinking like, I wonder who mine is.
Nga no. Hindi ko naisip yun na i-relate yung sarili ko sa Inside Out before.
Diba? So I think you should watch 2. Then let us know. Who do you think or what
Actually,
emotion?
very curious ako dun sa bagong set of emotions. Ano ba siya?
Di ba spoiler to kasi nasa...
No, yeah, it's in the
Kaya
trailer.
nagdag si Ennui, which is boredom. French ba nung boredom yung Ennui?
Ennui, yeah.
Ennui. Si Ennui. Si anxiety. Si envy.
Embarrassment.
Si embarrassment.
Oo. So, 4 yung new. And they're all fighting, diba? Like, kasi bago. So, that's what I was thinking about recently. Then, wala lang. Share ko
Parang
lang.
mga hindi, sila, no? Hindi permanent emotions.
Do you think they'll be permanent? I think so.
Yeah.
Well,
You'll avoid
I don't think
embarrassment.
Is it a spoiler?
No, I don't think it's a spoiler. Pero, kasi,
Like,
di ba,
so-
she's grown na.
O kasi kunyari with the mom, there are emotions na
Hindi pinakita before.
sumulpot lang ulit. Kasi parang they show na when you're older. Matututo ka na ipot sa back yung mga ganong emotions.
So, very siya, scientifically based talaga.
Galing.
Yeah, very interesting. So, that really made me think of how I
gets.
personally deal with emotions and stuff. And I was like, I have to really think about it. Are you good with emotions, Justin? Like, how do you deal with like...
I think so, pero I'm not sure. Like, tingin ng ibang tao in terms of emotions. Kasi, let's say, sa aming 5, ako yung hindi iiyak. Sa mga So, lahat sila umiiyak na ako yung hindi. So, ganun. And, siguro, ayun, pag nagagalit, recently lang ako natutong magalit. Like, legit na yung parang...
Bakit kaya?
So, sila, let's say, parang madalas nag-argue.
Yeah.
Parang hindi ako marunong mag-argue. Let's say, yung sigaw, hindi, sa SB19, nung training ko lang din ako natuto ng sumigaw na galit. Pero nung bata ako, syempre, like, dabog, ganyan. Ako yung mga batang nakikita nyo sa mall na umiiyak, hindi binilan ng ng laruan.
Tantrums.
Pero nung medyo nag-mature na nga ako, parang nawala lahat. Naging very small person ako, feeling ko, during the coming of age era na. Kaya, ayun, parang hindi ako masyadong ma-expressive. Yan.
You should watch Inside Out 2.
So, bottle up mo?
Oo.
Siguro.
Or wala ka lang talaga emotion? Hindi mo lang nafe-feel?
parang I feel like very, parang iniisip ko agad siya na kunwari, may nasabi sa aking masama. Parang iniisip ko agad na, hindi, lang yan, emosyon niya lang yan, so okay lang. Parang ganun, parang kina-counter ko agad yung mga,
Mature naman.
parang ganun. Kaya siguro nagiging, hindi ako masyadong expressive kasi, let's say, kaya nahirap din ako makipag-interact somehow with other people kasi parang iniisip ko agad yung iisipin nila, parang iniisip ko agad na, baka hindi siya, ma-off siya sa ganitong humor. So, adjust. Parang gano'n.
Wow, you're so empathetic.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Like, parang you think of these things. And
parang gano'n,
that's really good. Kasi not
Kasi
everybody...
centered towards the emotions of other people.
Yeah. Ganun ako mostly.
Si Sam medyo self-centered.
Hey, hindi that's not true. Kasi that's a skill. Like, that's not easy. Diba? Parang i-preempt mo yung feelings ng iba.
Yeah.
So you really think of how you're going to act towards somebody, which I feel like need to practice more. A lot of people need to practice more.
Feel ko nakakatulong yun sa kanya as a song. Feel ko as an artist in general. Kasi if you're very conscious about how other people would feel about something that you would do, for sure sa art mo, very aware ka rin kung anong pwedeng ma-feel ng tao sa kung anong visual, whatever ilalabas mo.
Actually, ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Free therapy, everybody.
Actually, whenever I draw, kunwari, let's say nga, before nagdo-drawing ako, bukod dun sa, let's say, singing yung pag nagdo-drawing ako, lagi kong iniisip, pag nakita to nung someone, like, hindi naman special someone, let's say, teacher ko, or parang at that moment, parang iniisip ko, matutuwa siya, magagandahan siya, parang ganon. Pero hindi related sa kanya, hindi para sa kanya yung drawing. Pero ganon yung somehow nagiging inspiration ko na parang, ma-appreciate to ni mama kasi parang ang galing ko mag-drawing, ang galing ko naman. Parang ganon, ganon mindset ko pag nagdo-drawing ko, gumagawa ko ng art. So, let's say, siguro pag nagdo-drawing ako, parang talagang meron akong iniisip na pag nakita to ni or baka pag nakita to sa assumption na baka makita to ng isang gaming head, gawin yung character. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Pero in terms of singing naman, I feel like pag nagsusulat ako, based sa mga nasulat ko, medyo naman siya, personal. Pero in a way, iniisip ko pa rin yung parang pag pinakinggan siya ng tao, magagandahan siguro sila. May ganun pa rin na aspect. So, baka nga ganun, hindi ko ina-appreciate yung sarili ko masyado. Nagdrama.
Do you think?
Laging para sa iba.
Do you think dahil mas kinalakihan mo yung drawing and visual arts, mas innate siya sa'yo? So, etong songwriting, kaya iba mo siya tinitake dahil bago na siyang bagay sa'yo?
Most likely, yes. I feel like. Kasi, yung songwriting naman, although lahat naman tayo, nung bata tayo, parang, syempre, gusto din natin kumanta-kanta, ganyan. Pero nung, parang I don't feel like nung bata ako, magiging performer talaga ako paglaki. Nung paglaki ko lang, tsaka ako na-realize na magiging performer ako. And parang in terms of writing ng song, naging out of nowhere siya actually. I never planned to write a song. Nung time lang na yon, 2022, I feel like, I don't know. Nakasulat na lang ako bigla. Hindi ko alam.
Baka kasi you're not super expressive in terms of emotion na na-express mo na ngayon in like writing, like art first of all, but also writing is one of those things now, which is very interesting, no? Kasi with a lot of artists, bata pa lang sila, they knew or they wanted to write songs. And for you, it came later in life, which only shows na hindi mo talaga alam anong mangyayari in terms of life, di ba? And that's really interesting kasi...
So, lesson, don't dream.
No! It will come to you when it's time.
Yes.
Di ba? Yun talaga yun. But I'm curious, syempre, iba yung approach mo in terms of songwriting. So, may bago ka bang natutunan about yourself? Or like, parang na-surprise ka ba na, wow, Justin.
Siguro, when yung writing ng song, since wala akong background with music, ang background ko is mainly SB90 in the training days, parang medyo na-surprise din ako. Kasi, first, honestly, nahihirapan din talaga ako with singing. That's one of my struggle as a performer. Kasi kailangan mong kumanta. Pero, at the same time, mahirap din siyang gawin for me. Like, hindi naman ako as talented as the other performers na, alam mo yun, talagang nakukuha agad nila yung tono. For me, I need practice talaga. Pag binigyan kami ng song, mahirap for me na, shucks, kakantahin ko na to agad mamaya. Ganon. Unless familiar na ako sa song. Pero, kailangan ko talaga ng practice. So, nung nakasulat ako ng kanta, medyo nagulat ako na, parang kaya ko nang palang gumawa ng melody. Kahit wala ako masyadong alam sa mga chord progression, mga chords, ganyan. Nakagawa ako ng kanta. Although, kasi nag-try din ako mag-aral ng ukulele. Although, sabi, nung inaayos na namin ni Pablo, merong mga parang chord na hindi pasok doon sa melody na ginawa ko. Pero, nakagawa pa rin ako ng something, ng song. So, sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? So, okay, parang siguro, even though wala ka talagang background in terms of specific stuff, meron innately sa atin, sa kinalakihan natin na lalabas siya kapag kailangan or, alam mo yun, parang as a human being, ang galing natin kasi meron tayong nagagawang bagay na hindi naman natin ina-expect magagawa natin. Kung yung mga nagdo-drawing, minsan, yung mga hindi nagdo-drawing, ayaw nila mag-drawing or tinatry nila, pero hindi nila alam, nagagawa naman nila. May something naman na nakaka-draw pa rin sila.
Feel ko yun yung beauty pag pinasok mo yung isang bagay na unassuming ka sa kakalabasan. Na parang kumbaga, kunyari, nag-try ka magsulat ng song, not thinking, hindi mo inisip na gagawa ko ng magandang kanta.
Yeah.
Basta you tried. Same with drawing. Like, someone draws. Tapos iniisip agad na kailangan ko makasulat ng magandang tao or whatever. Hindi nila matatapos kasi may assumption agad sila na maganda yung kakalabasan.
Yeah.
Kasi
parang may pressure.
Oo, so parang ngayon, when you're thinking like that, parang you go in and parang, sige, bahala na. I just do it.
See what
I want
happens.
to try. I see what happens.
Actually, no. Baka
Kasi kung in-overthink mo nung chords, baka hindi ka nakatapos ng melody.
Yeah.
Kasi if inisip mo, hindi pasok to melody na to sa chord na to, you wouldn't have ended up with that melody.
Yeah. Baka rin dun din nakakagawa ng something new yung mga tao noon.
Yeah.
So they
Even with
not
film, for
thinking.
sure.
Yeah, I think it's very profound.
What?
Hindi, kasi it's true. Kasi you anything we do in life, we do it for the first time at one point in our life.
Yes, that's
Diba?
that's nice.
And if you don't do it, di mo talaga alam kung kaya mo or not.
Hindi.
Wow. It's like I just...
I know.
No, di ba kasi sometimes we
Yeah.
take it for granted na
Yeah.
parang ang dami nating kayang gawin. But there are so many things na hindi pa natin natatry. Di ba? Wow. Guys.
Doon papasok si embarrassment. Kasi minsan ayaw natin gawin kasi we overthink na
Oo.
nakakahiya.
Si anxiety.
Si
saka
anxiety. Oo, di ba?
Talaga na ganun.
Pero, kasi di ba nung nagdo-drawing ka, kabaliktaran naman yung mindset mo na parang magugustuhan nito. Ang ganda ng kalabas
Yes.
nito.
Oo nga.
Oo.
So, na-let go mo siya, which is a big show of
Yeah.
growth.
Yeah,
Realization.
exactly. And then you came out with Surreal and you did such an amazing job. Kasi I remember telling you, nung napakinggan ko yung Surreal for the very first time, sabi ko, this is so Justin. Like, kung may release siya, yun talaga yun. Like, very first release, like, yun talaga yun. Surreal is it. But I'm really interested then to talk about the next one after Surreal. Kasi ito, medyo iba siya eh. Like,
Yeah.
from Surreal, coming from that, your newest release, Kaibigan. So, let's talk about it. It's very interesting. So, kwento ka naman
Friends.
about Kaibigan.
Okay. So, noong 1998, nung pinanganak.
Circa.
Oo.
Then, so, Kaibigan actually, mas nauna ko siyang matapos than Surreal. Yeah. Siya ba yung una? I feel like siya yung una. Hindi ko na maalala agad na. Pero parang siya isa sa una kong mga songs na natapos. And, ukulele din siya at first. Tapos, saan ako magsisimula? Naligaw.
Wherever you want.
Mag-
Wherever
ano,
you
hindi.
want.
So, yeah, I decided Surreal yung mauna kasi nga parang it's more me. And then, Kaibigan kasi parang kailangan kong gumawa ng story for my releases. Or hindi naman kailangan. Naisipan ko lang gumawa ng flow. And I feel like Kaibigan yung kasunod dun sa story flow na gusto kong buuin. So, ayun, without thinking kung ano yung magiging tunog niya. Kasi for me, nung gumagawa ako sa ukulele, parang acoustic lang yung nasa isip ko talaga na tunog. Nung lahat ng songs na sinulat ko, hindi pa ako masyado nag-explore. Mas simple lang, guitars, ganyan, piano. Nung pinoduce na siya ni Pablo, nila Rad Kids, Houseway and Pablo, I feel like I trust them naman, syempre, di ba? Yun yung na-feel nila sa kanta. Na medyo mas mabilis siya, medyo may galit. Na hindi ko, isa yun sa mga isang bagay na hindi ko masyadong naisip when writing songs. Na parang, i-consider ko rin yung bilis, yung galit, yung emotion na sinasabi ng lyrics. Parang ganun. So, medyo na-surprised ako actually dun sa kinalabasan ng kanta. Na, shucks, akala ko ano lang to. Kasi medyo mellow songs lang. So, feeling ko, parang sabi ko, challenge talaga ako ni Pablo. Kasi yung somehow, yung buong kanta ko na binuo, wala pa yun nung sa bridge, di ba, merong high note, tapos sigaw-sigaw. Nilagay niya lang yun. Pero I feel like, napaganda talaga siya ng gusto. Nagkaroon ng development yung song. Hindi siya boring na, nung una kasi magulo yung arrangement ko pa na parang isang linear lang, very monotonous yung kanta. So, ayun, medyo na-surprise ako in terms of producing yung songs na medyo kakaiba siya, may upbeat, malayo siya sa surreal, may galit na. So from surreal na dreamy, yung sweet-sweet natin, ang saya-saya, biglang bumaliktad yung mundo na sabihin mo, ano ba yon? So basically, yung story ng kaibigan, dito pa lang talaga tayo magsisimula.
Ito talaga yun.
Ang dami kong
may
sinabi.
May prequel.
Ang dami kong sinabi. Yung kaibigan is like, about siya sa parang friends kayo, tapos alam niyo yung feeling na siguro nakarelate ka nung high school, let's say, meron kayong close friend, ganyan, tapos parang very clingy niya or parang you feel like meron siyang gusto sa'yo. Yung parang gano'n na, parang, bakit niya ako, ba't gano'n siya tumingin? Bakit, yung mga lahat, ino-overthink mo lahat ng bagay na ginagawa niya na parang feeling mo, may pinapakita siya sa yung something. So, umaasa ka. Pero turns out, kaibigan lang pala talaga. Ganun lang siya ka-friendly.
Yeah.
So, parang ganun lang yung story ng kaibigan. Na parang, iniisip mo yung tingin niya may sinasabi. Yung mga, kunwari, hiniram niya lang yung pambura mo. Parang inisipin mo na, bakit sa kanya siya humiram ng pambura? Pwede naman dun sa isa naming classmate. Parang ganun na, alam niyo yun?
Binigyan mo din ng
meaning lahat ng bagay. Tapos turns out, wala lang pala talaga. Ganun lang pala talaga siya as a person. So medyo ganun yung kaibigan. So yung relation niya with Surreal is like, Surreal is the imagination. Yes. So you think na lahat ng bagay na ginagawa nyo, nandun kayo together, lahat ng things. So kaya masaya yung Surreal. Pero at the same time, dun sa music video, mag-isa lang ako. Because all this time, ako lang talaga yung nag-iisip ng ganun. So yun yung...
Delulu.
Delulu.
Yeah.
So yung mga asyumera dyan, yun. Parang, well, in a way, meron siyang good thing kasi parang na-inspire ka, naging masaya ka at that time. Yun lang, malaki yung kabaligtaran. So, yeah.
I like now knowing yung meaning behind it.
Yeah,
kasi pag pinapakinggan mo yung song, it builds Parang it's very like, not naman mellow in the start. Parang ano siya?
Hindi ganun kalungkot?
Parang ano siya? Like it's a little happy.
Yeah.
Medyo light pa yung...
Yeah, very light siya. And then towards the end, parang nagiging ano siya, like the screaming in the end. Nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, okay, Justin, wow.
Yung nagustuhan ko sa journey ng song, there were parts of it na binigay yung bigat to exactly where you expected. Pero there were also parts na kung saan mo ina-expect yung dagdag ng bigat, bigla kang bibigyan ng maluwag na feeling.
Yeah. And
sila Pablo yun. Sila ang
it's a very complex feeling.
Yeah.
Yung song mismo. Very complex. Very dynamic nga. Kasi, yun nga, for coming from Surreal, di ba? And then seeing this side of you then. Pati ikaw nagulat, di ba?
Yeah.
You're just like, whoa. Crazy.
Ang pinakamahirap doon, yung sigaw.
Yeah, how was that for you? I can imagine.
So, dyan ka na natuto magalit.
Talagang recently lang. ano nga ba? Kasi yun nga, hindi ko in-expect yung may sigaw-sigaw talaga. And even the bridge part, parang dinoble lang ni Pablo yun. It's supposed to be like 8 bars lang na maiksi lang siya. It's dinoble niya. Para to build. Actually, I'm not sure if Pablo talaga, pero sila ni Josue nag-work on it. So parang dinoble, para may build up, yung una, mas tahimik. Tinatanong, ano ba talaga yung pinapakita mo? Bakit ka ganyan kumilos? Sabihin mo na, please. Tapos, towards the end, sinabi na. Kaya parang, hindi pala. So, nung sigaw-sigaw, actually, kaka-record ko lang ulit kahapon. Nire-record namin siya after na ma-mix and master and all. Kasi parang, yung napakinggan nyo actually, hindi yan yung final. So, nire-record namin yung sigaw-sigaw na yung scream part. Kasi, sabi ni Ermay, talaga. Kasi pinakinggan niya. Sa shout-out sa ano namin, marketing namin. Kasi nung pinapakinggan na namin ulit, ganyan. Okay naman na siya. Talagang tapos na namin siya. Like, ready to ingest na siya sa mga streaming platforms. Tapos nung talagang random lang na pag-usapan, sabi ni Ermay, hindi ako masyado, buti hindi niya naman in a negative way sinabi. Buti hindi ako na-trigger masyado sa kanta ni Justin. Kasi nung una daw, nung demo pa lang ni Pablo, na-trigger siya. Yung sigaw-sigaw. Parang,
masyadong
Oo.
So sabi ko, shucks, dapat ma-trigger siya. So sabi ko,
gets.
Okay, so something. Tapos nung pinapakinggan ko na ulit siya, dinadigest ko na ulit. Oo nga, hindi, may beat, may yung sigaw ko, may something na parang nag-hold back pa ako. Hindi pa lumalabas yung emotion talaga. So, kagabi, after no schedule namin, nirecord ko ulit yung sigaw-sigaw. So, as in, napaos-paos na ako. Tapos, medyo pinalitan ko yung words na sinasabi. Kasi currently narinig niyo, visit ka. Ano ba talaga? Parang ganyan sabihin mo na. Parang mas gusto ko na sinabi niya na. So, parang more of like, sabihin mo na, ano yun? Ano yung pinapakita mo? Sabihin mo, ano yung lahat ng yun? Bakit gano'n? Hindi nag-match yung sinabi mo tsaka yung pinapakita mo. Parang gano'n na questioning. So yun, napaos ako kagabi. Kasi siguro ngayon, make slight, pa.
On behalf of everybody, thank you for your effort, di ba? My gosh, pero that's actually really interesting to hear. Kasi as a listener, syempre, hindi namin alam yung mga iniisip mo at that time, di ba? But for you to, parang gusto mo talaga na ma-feel namin. And the version I heard, na-feel ko naman talaga. But I can only imagine what it will be like talaga when yun, di ba?
Yung ibago,
Alam mo, gusto kong itanong, kasi like I've worked with artists na somehow, pag nalayo talaga yung kinalabasan ng arrangement, or at least ang production dun sa original na naisip mo, medyo, not really defensive, pero may time to process kung kaya mo bang i-absorb yun. How long did it take for you?
Mabilis lang.
As in, right away, parang gusto ko to, gano'n?
Nung surreal, ganon.
Okay.
Like, nung pinakinggan ko, shucks, ang ganda. Talagang nakangiti ako all the time. Nung kaibigan, medyo kinabahan ako. Kasi, yun nga, parang medyo doubtful din pa ako sa skills ko. Talaga, personally. So, sabi ko, shucks, parang mahihirapan ako sa song na to. Parang, kakayanin ko ba talaga to? Is it really me? Kasi, syempre, yun nga, hindi rin ako expressive in terms of emotions. Kaya yung surreal, parang okay lang kasi mellow lang naman, madali express. Yung kaibigan, may progression talaga siya ng expressions, ng feelings. And yung pagkanta, merong pang high note sa huli. So, parang,
sabi ko,
vocal
vocals.
performance siya.
Shock, sabi ko. So, medyo kinabahan ako in a way, like, how am I going to perform this? Kasi syempre, at some point, kailan ko rin siya i-perform, di lang siya, like, recording na papakinggan mo. Pero, yun, parang sabi ko naman, maraming time to practice. Maaga ko siya nagawa, naaga ko siya na-prepare. And, nung first vocal rehearsals ko naman with our coach, nagawa ko naman siya.
Yes.
So, I feel like, sabi ko, mas nagawa ko pa siya nung practice na to than the recording nung initial. Kasi yung recording, hirap na hirap din talaga ako. I feel like because of familiarization din, na familiar na ako dun sa song, mas na-absorb ko na siya, mas madali ko nang i-express yung feelings na dapat ko i-express. So, ang worry ko na lang next is the challenge na
To perform it live.
Hindi ako mapaos, perform it live with the audience.
Pero alam mo, it's common naman for artists na a lot of songs na nag-struggle kang i-record sa studio, pag ang tagal mo na pinoperform, parang nagiging
Madali
madali na siya.
And I feel like it would be so nice live. Kasi feeling ko everybody then will feel yung tension.
Yung one thing na similar sa Surreal saka dito sa Bago is yung pagka-cinematic ng feel.
Yes. That's what I said. Then, nung pinakinggan ko, sabi ko, very bagay siya sa, like, soundtrack. Or, alam mo yung sa mga K-drama, may main song sila sa soundtrack na hindi pinapakinggan until, like, the middle, the climax of the story. It's one of those.
And then, imagine ko yung tipong mga venue niya, parang Levy na theater.
Yeah.
Tapos bumabalot talaga yung sound. Tapos meron kang live
so
na strings.
Cool.
Diba?
That would be so cool.
Natuwa naman ako.
And bagay na bagay ka doon. Like, if you had, like, the Philharmonic behind you or something. That would be wild.
Na-pressure ako. Pero natuwa ako dun sa sinabi niyo na parang you feel like very cinematic siya. Kasi, ganun yung gusto kong mangyari. Kasi gusto ko nga mag-produce ng like, the film, ng movies, music videos. So, natuwa ko na na-feel niyo yung may cinematic vibe pala yung kanta.
Achieved.
Yeah, and I think that's part of who you are. I think gano'n ka mag-isip, like, in terms of what you create, what you do.
Songwriting-wise, you're very visual when it comes to writing. That's what I noticed.
And the fact na may story siya.
Yeah,
I mean, yun pa lang, di ba? Not everybody connects their songs, Actually, this is for you, Ano to?
Pero actually,
pinaparealize, meron talaga ako nakalimutan na yung sarili.
Pag uwi mo mamaya, nag-iisip ka ulit ng maraming bagay.
No, but it's really cool to see nga yung progression mo from, visual arts and then becoming a performer and then also releasing your own music. Kasi I can imagine then, for somebody who thinks of yung feelings ng iba, ano ba yung, will people like this? There's also a certain pressure, diba? I mean, we all feel pressure talaga. Even though we don't want it, nandun talaga yung pressure, diba? And especially coming from you, with, you have so many group activities then.
Yes.
And as a group, ang dami nyo nang pressure, diba? So when it comes to your own music then, do you feel that certain pressure then? And how do you deal with it?
Yes, actually, mas nape-pressure ako with my solo than the group. I feel like I'm very dependent as a person talaga. Let's say, out of music kuwari, magkikipag-party, hindi ko kaya mag-isa. Kailangan meron akong kasama extrovert.
Ako din, I'm like that. Even as
siya yung kakausap, extra lang ako. So, doon as
emotional wingman.
Yeah.
As a solo, parang di ko alam, napipressure talaga ako mag-isa na lahat ng attention ng tao na sa akin, lahat nakatingin, hindi ko kaya. So, kaya parang sa group, parang at least hindi ako yung main character, ganon. Na, okay, pwede akong sulpot-sulpot lang whenever I can, whenever I'm confident, pwede kong ilabas yung sarili ko. And pwede rin ako magtago at any time. Pero as a solo, kailangan mo maging confident all the time. Kailangan may present yung sarili mo. So, which is hard. Yun yung isa sa challenge na china-challenge ko. To be like a main character.
That's true. Kasi di ba pag 5 kayo, syempre 1/5 ng
Yeah.
effort
You
sa'yo.
share everything with the rest of the group.
So how have you been dealing with it these days? Kasi I'm sure it's a process, di ba?
Like, is there a comparison for you in terms of like, are you pressured na yung group music nyo, yung solo music mo should be as big as your group music, or is it like something na outlet lang talaga for you?
No, yun nga. So, something na outlet lang talaga siya sa akin.
Okay.
I want it to be, actually, nung nag-plan kami for my branding as a solo, sabi ko, parang gusto ko low-key lang ako. Like, very low-key na gusto ko lang mag-release ng music, and yung music ko is something lang na papakinggan ng tao because they want, or napakinggan lang nila, madadaanan lang nila sa playlist. Something like that na hindi ko, parang I don't dream, hindi naman, I don't dream to be like parang Michael Jackson. Like a superstar or very famous
bigger
someone.
than life. Ganun.
Yeah. Gusto ko lang din na nasa, alam mo yung, sakto lang. I can, someone
you just wanna be there.
Yeah, singer, makapag-perform, nakakagawa ng something like this. Pero I don't want to be like the super idol of like most of people. So medyo low-key lang talaga gusto ko sa buhay. Gusto ko sa
Wow.
buhay. Parang I dream very big pero not, I don't know. Ano ba yun? Anong term yun? Alam mo, marami akong pangarap. Gusto ko makagawa na. Gusto ko makapag, let's say, kung papalarin, kung mag-improve yung skills ko and all, makapag-act sa isang Hollywood movies, ganyan.
Yeah.
Ang laking dream pero not, I don't want to be like,
Kumbaga yung dreams mo, sobrang taas, pero yung expectation, and then not really
No,
expectations
it's more of like, alam mo yun nga, we were talking about how you go into something, tapos hindi mo in-expect na sobrang mag-aano siya.
Or is it like parang yung dreams mo, not necessarily what you really want for yourself, but you just like to dream na ganun yung pwedeng mangyari?
maybe.
like going with the flow of life.
Oo,
Ganun.
parang, I'd like to believe na I can do this, pero I'm also happy na with where I am now and where I could
Okay, that's really interesting.
Diba?
I'm also thinking
I
about
feel
it
like
now.
siguro I'm just scared sa attention ng tao. Parang, kuwari,
Gets.
gusto kong gumawa ng kanta, gusto kong mapakinggan ng tao, pero ayokong na parang takot ako ma-judge. Maybe
so like,
may ganong
Kung may
aspect.
perfect world lang, gusto mo sana to be like a superstar without really the criticism of other people.
May,
Because
but in
that's
a
hard.
way,
Yeah,
in
that's
a way.
hard. Oo.
parang ayoko na, parang gusto kong gumawa ng movie na maganda na papanoorin ng maraming tao. Pero
nahihiya
ayoko
ka.
nilang
Oo.
nahirahiya ako. Tama.
Yeah, I get it.
Gets ko na,
Yeah.
gets ko na.
Yeah.
Parang, wag niyo ko tignan. Okay lang. Yung ginawa ko na lang. Ganun.
Parang teka lang, mag-acting ako sa pinakamalaking movie in the world, pero wag niyo akong tignan. Parang ganun.
Kaya pag iniisip ko, pag tinatanong, kasi isa rin sa pangarap ko is maging actor.
Wow.
Pero ang gusto ko lagi, ayoko maging main character. Gusto ko yung supporting actor lang na mamamatay sa ending.
Or like second lead, yung,
Yeah.
yung sa K-drama.
Yung
At least
nanay
yung
ko
mga
pa-
pangatlong mamamatay. Ganun.
Yung nanay ko talaga, yung mamamatay ako sa ending. Gusto ko mamatay, ganun. So, gets yung parang yung nakikita lang nila ako pero wala sa akin yung attention. Parang ganun, medyo in a way. So, pag nafe-feel ko na nasa akin yung attention ng tao, lalo ako nape-pressure, lalo ako nagkakamali, lalo ako...
Yeah.
Tapos parang pag nagpa-perform na, pag pinapanood ko yung sarili ko, nafe-feel ko yung, as an audience, nafe-feel ko yung sarili ko na kinakabahan or yung feeling ko, na natatranspose ko yung nafe-feel ko sa audience. So, parang, anong gagawin ko? May ganon. So,
Yes,
kaya
yes.
parang, I mean, siguro for me as a person, ayoko maging main character.
Main.
Oo.
Oo.
At some point lang, pag
Minsan NPC
parang
ka
ganun
muna.
lang. NPC lang.
NPC ka muna.
And that's so refreshing to hear.
Yeah.
Kasi now, di ba, we put a lot of pressure na tayo dapat yung main character.
Yeah.
But I like that you
Especially in the industry. Na
Oo.
parang you'd expect everyone to want to be the main character.
Yeah, and that's not a bad thing to
Yeah,
not
of
Yeah,
want
yeah,
to
yeah.
be. Yeah, of course.
That's
But also, parang you're removing that pressure from yourself na hindi kailangan palagi ikaw yung main character. Diba? Like, and it's a good way to think then minsan. Because, I don't know, it takes the pressure off, I guess.
Alam mo, there's this video that said na parang a lot of people overthink life kasi we expect ourselves to be the main character of other people's lives. So parang in reality, NPC lang naman tayo sa lahat ng
Yeah,
nakasalita.
side character tayo sa
Oo, so
buhay ng
kunyari
iba.
iba.
Kunyari
Oo.
mapatid ka tapos sobrang in-overthink mo, wala namang pakialam yung nakakita sa'yo kasi NPC ka lang naman sa buhay niya eh. Hindi naman niya titignan, hala yung napatid, nakakatawa siya.
Oo nga. Oo. Tama.
That's how you
Yung
look at
feeling
life.
mo nakakahiya ka. Pero,
In reality, wala
Hindi
namang
talaga.
pumansin eh.
Yeah.
You're a side character in everyone's
Wow,
lives.
it's so cool to hear. Coming
Yeah.
from you, kasi from our perspective as the audience, diba? In our eyes, syempre you're really a star. Diba?
Ayan na
as awkward,
ayun yung shyness.
as awkward as it feels to hear, I'm sure a lot of people can definitely, I mean, to see you on stage, you perform, of course
Yeah.
we think of you as one of the biggest stars right now, diba? But yet to hear from you, like, personally, that you don't even feel na parang the main character sometimes it's not something na you put
Yeah.
pressure on yourself to feel. It's really nice kasi yun nga, it keeps you grounded and down to earth, which is super important.
yeah.
Ayan na yung shyness.
Na-pressure.
Bigla siyang
Oh. No, but it's true, diba?
Please don't.
Which only goes to show nga na hindi talaga natin alam yung mga iniisip ng mga idol natin, diba? Like, we don't know what they're thinking. We can't tell ever from what we see from our side, diba? So I think that's really interesting. And I'm happy I heard that from Justin today. No, kasi diba, we put so much pressure talaga
Yeah.
on ourselves to be the main character. And to see somebody like you na, you know, going around the world performing and you also feel that thing, you know, it's
Considering na he's literally a main character
Yun na
in a
nga.
lot of people's lives.
Oo.
Napa-overthink.
Parang kailangan, yun nga rin, parang in a way, pag nakikita ko, let's say, ibang members, parang I needed to be like that, na ma-feel ko rin na at some point, maging main character ako. Actually, hindi naman siya like a bad thing na
Sobrang-
sa'yo mo.
Yeah, of course not.
Kailangan mo rin talaga yun kasi nga, let's say, nakaka-inspire ka na ibang tao. So parang, I feel like, defense mechanism siguro yung gano'n, na innate siya sa akin, na yun talaga yung personality ko. Pero in a way nga, inisip ko nga yung sinabi nyo na sa perspective ng ibang tao, somehow, parang main character ka. Kasi let's say, yung mga letters ng fans, pag nagbabasa ako, parang in a way, parang nagki-cringe ako, pero at the same time, sobrang yung mga messages nila is something na nagsasabi na, alam mo yung side character ka, pero na-appreciate ka nila. Parang ganun yung nafe-feel ko. Kasi feeling ko sa sarili ko, hindi naman ako, parang gets. Pero na-appreciate ako
Pero
ng
in
tao.
reality, the letter says na parang ikaw talaga yung
main yeah, no, I get what you mean. Kasi it's like, who am I? Diba? Like, who am I in this world na sobrang daming tao that I have this impact
mga
on
taong may
someone?
nagpapatattoo.
Yeah.
I
Diba?
saw one video kanina sa TikTok kasi pinatattoo niya lahat ng
logos.
Dito.
Yeah. Diba? And to have that impact on people's lives is crazy. Not everybody has that opportunity, diba? And yun nga, it's cool to hear
Super
from
happy.
you. Yeah, na it's something you appreciate even though you don't feel sometimes na you want to be the main character.
Yeah.
Other people make you the main character. So that's really cool and interesting.
Nakakatuwa actually.
And you will continue to be.
Of course, yes.
The main character of other people's lives but the side character of his own.
Wow.
Baliktad.
Yun nga. I mean, it's
Yeah.
cool.
Saya.
Oo.
Saya.
Dami natin naman naisip today.
Na-realize.
Oo.
Ano pala to?
At this hour.
Umagang-umaga. Ano pala to? Tawag dito, psychiatric.
From lawyer to therapy.
Therapy pala. No?
No, kasi we don't get to talk about these things, diba?
Yeah.
As often as we would like.
Yeah.
And a lot of people go through the same thing, I can imagine. Ang dami din nilang naiisip, nag-overthink din sila. Diba? Even about small things. So, hopefully, those listening, or to you guys, you can feel, you can relate to what we're saying. Kasi it's important, what you feel.
Not in just whatever. Parang all of the things we talked about today, nag-a-apply siya sa whatever skill
Or career.
yung
Yes.
na-experience mo as in
Oo.
anything.
Yes, tama.
True.
Tama.
Kailangan identify yourself. Identify yourself.
Please explain.
Yung parang, I don't know, understanding lang. Ganun.
Aha.
Iba-iba tayo. Tao lang tayo lahat.
Your sense of self.
Yes, that's so true. And yun nga, like Justin, I feel like you have a very good sense of self nga. Na even until yung music mo, na-express mo yung gusto mo talaga i-express.
Yeah.
Which is not easy, but nangyayari talaga for you. So go Justin, we are rooting for you.
Go, Justin.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And all of your main character, side characterness, whatever it may be.
And all your releases.
Yes, and everything. Excited
And performances.
na kami. Oo.
May gustong i-share bigla na
Go!
Parang naalala ko lang na kaya rin naka-small caps lahat nung names.
Yes.
Kasi nga, it's for like a smaller. Gets.
Oh,
So,
that's
sabi
so
kasi, di ba,
cute.
pag parang you have to be proud, parang kailangan malaki, ipakita mo.
All
Kaya-
caps.
Yeah. So, sabi ko, hindi ko kaya yon. I want it na lahat small so that na parang mas low-key lang din talaga yung me.
Mhm.
Hindi talaga ako main character. Side lang ako. Maliit lang ako na makita niyo sa gilid. Parang ganun. So, yeah. That's one thing. Share lang.
Ang cute! Oh my gosh, the thought process that goes into that is just so cute. I love that. And we appreciate you,
Thank
syempre.
you po. Thank you po.
Yeah.
Nagpo bigla.
Same age tayo.
Ako ang thank you po. Ay!
Yeah, no, kasi yun nga, like, the music itself and yung mga ginagawa mo, dami na-inspire, including us. So, we're happy na you're doing what you're doing. Even though, yun nga, you feel na you're just a small little,
Speck of dust.
which we all
Within
are.
the galaxy.
Which we all are, right?
Yeah.
But you're making your dent in the world talaga.
Yes.
So,
Thank
Go,
you.
Justin.
Let's go.
I enjoyed our therapy
Yeah,
sessions.
session.
Pati ako napaisip eh.
Kailan po ang next session po?
Text mo na lang
Schedule
kami.
po natin every other week.
Alright po.
Midweek check-up, gano'n.
May medications po ba?
So every week na rin may ipopromote. So kailangan mo na mag-release every other week.
Nako po.
Hindi.
Sige po.
The only medication is the music. We will
Yes.
listen to the music
Yeah.
as an accompaniment
Wala na dito na
to
rin ako.
life. Soundtrack of life.
Yes.
Oo, yun talaga yun. But before we let you go, do you have a message to everybody listening, everybody who's going through stuff? No? Or, just whatever you
Required
wanna
maging
say.
sad.
Siguro ayun. Ayoko na English yun, baka na-pressure bigla.
Identify yourself.
Identify yourself. I am. Ayun lang. Be the character you wanted to be in your own life.
Yes.
Tama.
Kung gusto maging kontrabida, go. Buhay mo. Naging bad influence.
Wag lang criminal.
Oo. Parang ngayon, kasi buhay mo yan and you don't know what to do. So, yeah. Parang whenever you listen to a music, nafe-feel nyo ba yung nasa movie kayo?
Oh, all the time.
I-feel nyo lang yun lagi, diba?
Yeah.
With the music and all, kung ngayon malungkot kayo kahit hindi dahil sa music na pinapakinggan nyo. Parang it gives color sa day-to-day life nyo. So, kung ginagawa nyo yun, ginagawa ko rin. Ayun, yun. So, ayun lang. Yeah. Maging kung sino kayo, do it for yourself. And siguro, speechless. Ano nga ba yung gusto mong sabihin? Parang,
Pressure, nakaabang lang.
be very, bukod sa gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, be considerate then with other people, especially with the people around you. So, ayun, kahit nga, kuwari, kung main character ka sa life mo, maging considerate ka sa mga side characters. And if side character ka sa life mo, maging considerate ka sa main characters. Yun.
That's actually really good because you're only the main character because side characters exist.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
diba?
Yes.
So, always remember that we all exist in this world.
So,
Ang
yeah.
random na mga sinasabi natin. Daming quotable
Okay, now.
quotes.
This is the
Identify
time
yourself.
to invite the people to listen.
To identify
to-
themselves.
Hi guys, identify
Identify
yourselves.
yourself. Ayan. To identify myself, guys, you can check out my social media accounts. To identify me, check out my social media accounts po. Just search for Justin De Jos with a T in the middle, my middle initial. So yan, Justin De Jos po sa all streaming platforms. And of course, I just released my latest single, Kaibigan. Out na po siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms online. So sana po ay makarelate kayo at magamit nyo sa inyong mga main character, side character moments yung kanta. So ayun, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much 18. Thank you mga mais to all the support. And of course SB19 guys, thank you.
Yes. Thank you then, Sir Justin, for such a fun conversation. Very well-rounded.
Actually.
As well-rounded as your 4
Ang
favorite
saya.
films / series right now.
With additional one.
Oh, tama. So 5 talaga siya. 4 plus 1.
Hinabol niyo sa help.
Tama. So yeah, if you guys are also looking for recommendations, not just music, of course.
Movies.
Yeah, movies then.
Follow him.
Yes, follow him on social media.
Yeah.
Literally. Iba
Stalking.
yun.
Sa sinehan.
Iba yun. So make sure to follow him on social media para updated kayo sa lahat. And of course, thank you everybody for listening.
Thank you.
Share your thoughts with us. Well, identify
Yes,
yourself if you
yeah.
want to. And may you all continue to be the main character / side character
Characters.
in your life. So
Yeah.
thank you
Yes.
everyone.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.